You know it's a boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. And people, me don't know if I'm me alone, but yo, the time hot. Jamaica recently recorded the highest temperature in the history. That was 103 degrees Fahrenheit. People, that's scorching. That was recorded in the Shortwood area of St. Andrew. Someone have to tell all of the subscribers them, all of the viewers them, please stay hydrated. Want to just cool it down. Cool down on yourself, for that me I talk about. But like how we don't start it right there, so make spice, cool it down, and then we're going at the topics.
Cool it down, cool it down, cool it down. Me a cool it down, me have to cool it down because him say me feel like paradise. Make him once and him come back twice. Hard fi go in, that's why it burn. Cool it with piece of ice.
Some man a rock brand new clocks for foot. Every girl pass shoot one down a rock brand new clocks for foot. Me go make a link on the bad pushing on me new wallabies.
Yo, Chap City.
Me a par with the money my whole life. Never see a dollar I don't like. Gunman and gallons. Me and the money can't malaise. Me a par with the money my whole life. Never see a dollar I don't like. Gunman and gallons. Me and the money can't malaise. Well, if they not talk cash and they must talk trash.
So people, the last song is from an artist called Terro. You see me, I go link the song in the description or it will be pinned in the comment section. So just go and go support him. He's a new artist. Like you don't know how me attack already. A vlogger turn artist. Yeah man, a Terro. And people, me I tell you now, I'm proud of the youth are doing thing and improve to me and the whole vlogging community, all of the viewers and the subscribers them, and to the people them. Say, I'm more than a vlogger. I'm a real compact artist. Cause that song yeah, me I go stop say yo, it sound professionally done and everything. Cause right now it sound like me a water down in things. So just go on over, go support the youth. If you can buy the song, all of the link them I go in the description, just click it. You see me? If you have a 90 cent can spend and buy the song of the upliftment, the song bad, you see me? And a youth we a try. If you can't do that, stream it on Spotify. You don't have Spotify, just replay it, watch it straight on YouTube. And that's why it's a bad song.
Well, if they not talk cash and they must talk trash. My money dirty like say it won't wash. Anyway me pull up be a girl start flock. And I block up the road like it's a can crash. Work hard so me reach this inevitable. Chain full of carrot butter and a vegetable. Man hotter than hell, go and go tell the devil. You know see me skull up well, go and go tell the keckle.
What up Rushan? Rushan, I want to say I'm very proud of you. I see how your artist Shenseea is blowing up. Her song is popping. And I hope that I really want her to know how you was campaigning for this girl. Like you was one of the first people that told me about this girl and she's doing so good. And I just want to say that I'm so proud of you, Rushan. Like you're such a good person, such a nice person, and things are coming out very well for you. So I just really wanted to let you know that. Hey. Rushan.
So you hear what Cardi B say? Cardi B say Rushan always a tell her about Shenseea and always a talk positive stuff about Shenseea, and that's a good look, you see me? And for Cardi B really say them thing there about Shenseea, we can know say Shenseea is really a promising artist, you see me? I love that. Hey Rushan!
Hey Rushan!
Where them call police for?
Hey Rushan!
And the way Cardi B said the jingle, hey Rushan! Yo, Jano Star, the people we are do it. Dancehall music, we are do it. You see me? I'm glad to see that. I'm happy to see that. So people, even though we are praise Shenseea and I say Shenseea the good, I guess Shenseea really have a lot to learn, as well some people would have say. Uno pre this video, I'm going to tell me an honest opinion in the comment section. After I play it, I'm going to leave my honest opinion.
First thing in the morning, when I wake up, thanks God for life. Look in the mirror and say, bitch, on the best. Way too blessed. Bitch, on the best, best, best. Way too blessed, blessed, blessed.
So I know say there are gonna be some mixed feelings about this video, and people, me really want to leave it in the comment section. More wanna honestly tell me what you think about that video here. So let me break it down for you. Why for the breakdown? Anyway, still, this video was posted on Shenseea official Instagram page. That's a number one. I not say a Shenseea video it or a Shenseea little cousin or little niece or nothing like that. I don't know if that little girl here and Shenseea related. But still, Shenseea post it on our official page. I guess somebody must tag her in it or send her it or something. But number one is not Shenseea record it. Even though Shenseea endorse it, and I guess a them type of behavior here, Footer Hype they talk about, because Footer Hype did say when Shenseea do that video there with the girl and girl scene and all these things and them, little pick me see it and run with it, them I go think it's okay. So honestly still, and Shenseea under the first me see you do that something here. Me not really like when you post them thing up on your official page, man. Keep your official page clean of kids. I mean, we know say you have a large kids fan base. And when I say kids, we mean teenager and young adult and stuff like that. But then again, we don't want to see you definitely endorse them behavior here. Make somebody put it up. You see me? The parents or something like that. Me don't know, make them put it up. But I guess from that little girl here reach the internet, the parents them not necessarily have a problem with she singing bless and I say bitch. You see me? But people that are my thoughts, me feel like say them content here not necessarily for reach our official Instagram page. But wanna tell me wanna think in the comment section. All me know them did a beat her bad over our page.
That there is critic, you know, their criticisms, but constructive criticism of what they do. I mean, if you look at Calypso, I mean, you know, Calypso was a very powerful social commentary. Reggae music in the early days was a very powerful social commentary too.
PopCaan and Andrew Holness today sat and discussed some issues, burning issues. Or me should have said PopCaan did this. So today was the groundbreaking for the Moran Bay Urban Center in the parish of St. Thomas. And PopCaan was indeed invited to be at the groundbreaking. And me I tell you, me as a fan of PopCaan and as a fan of dancehall music, yo, I'm glad to see them thing here happen. You know, Prime Minister Andrew Holness and PopCaan forward together and a break ground for the interest of good, you see me, the development of the parish of St. Thomas. And people, me really feel pleased. I'm glad for that something here. Because PopCaan is a hardcore type DJ. I mean, PopCaan are the type of DJ where society look upon as outcast. So for Prime Minister Andrew Holness see him talent and know say yo, him a do this for St. Thomas, and know say PopCaan fall from St. Thomas and involve him in the whole celebration and stuff like that is a good look. So Andrew Holness took to his Twitter account and made this tweet. Hashtag forever firm and strong in our commitment to do better for our communities and our country. Thank you at PopCaan Music and the people of St. Thomas for believing in our promise to redevelop your parish. Hashtag New Jamaica, and then the boss put one of them hand strength, how you call it, muscle up emoji. Yeah, one of them something there. But it's a good look, and me like how Andrew Holness incorporate the hashtag forever, cause you don't know say the PopCaan always has post one. Forever PopCaan, I think him have a song we go so. Me don't know still. Then him go Firm and Strong, which is the title of PopCaan last album, Firm and Strong. So Andrew Owens, well done. Yeah, keep up with the younger generation. Or I guess you're just a big PopCaan fan. And really. And him also post and said we will look out for him interview him and PopCaan. So I guess that's something to look out for. Anyway, it's your boy DJ Chaddy, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. And people, if you like this video, just give it a thumbs up now and tell me in the comment section what you think about the topics that we talk about today. It's your boy DJ Chaddy. Firm and strong. My God.
The Morant Urban Centre, fulfilling the mandate of Factories Corporation of Jamaica to achieve the Government of Jamaica's economic growth and job creation agenda by providing industrial and commercial space for a variety of industries. A game changer for the town of Morant Bay, the parish of St. Thomas, and a blueprint for future urban development. A rebirth for a parish many have labelled as forgotten. With the birth of this urban centre, it is expected that steps will be taken by the National Housing Trust and private developers to capitalise on the expansion of the town of Morant Bay, an integrated industrial and commercial complex, what is even understood as a one-stop shop, which will see the amalgamation of the services provided by the Government of Jamaica in addition to services offered by the private sector. A vision Prime Minister Andrew Owna speaks passionately about and is now making a reality.